getting ready for our Christmas party, and we should know if the fire alarm, not fire alarm, smoke alarm, works.
Detector.
Smoke detector. Smoke detector. Anyway, this is a smoke test, and I want to know if it actually friggin' works. So easy, convenient, safe. Smoke detector tester. Well, that's a mouthful. Smoke detector tester. Smoke detector tester. He's off screen. He's going to be interesting in a minute. Whatever, Blacker. Alright, so it says how far away from this thing. So there is our thing. Ignore the outfit. I'm still in my pajamas, people. It says... And we know it's working because it went off before recently. Excuse me! Excuse me! Excuse me? Excuse me, hi. Hey! Get out of the camera! Hold him. Hold him, it's going to be very loud. If it works. Alright, it says... You need to be... Why doesn't it tell me... Where is this? Smokeless. It's a smokeless aerosol spray. Provides a functional test for smoke detectors. Okay. Directions. Shake can well. Okay. Hold can 2 to 4 feet below. I don't have to get on that thing then.
No, it's fine.
Alright. And hold it down for 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. If it does, so we know this, if it does not sound within 5 seconds after it, immediately repeat the process. Okay. Do not overspray. I hate this sound. That's why my neck hurts. Alright, here we go. Is that far enough away?
2 to 4 feet, right?
That's too close, is it?
No.
There?
That's fine.
Okay, here we go. 2 to 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Yay! It works. We're safe. Ooh, ooh. Come here. Now you can be on the camera and you can do a it works dance. And go. It works. It's safe. We did it. It works. It works. No, put the no, no.